So yeah, this is a great example of what I'm doing. This plant, kind of, to other people it looks like a mess, but I've been growing it, so it makes sense to me. So I want to make this one a new main stem. So this leaf is shadowing this new one. So that's why this leaf has to go. Boop. So now this guy has a lot of more sun, and this one has a lot more sun. This leaf is gonna have to stay because it's the one that kind of makes this top grow. Yeah, so now this plant is more ready. I might take half of this away, yeah, like so. So this guy can get more sun. I'm gonna actually take half of this one as well. There we go. Now this one is done.